there, I'm Kathy with kathysglutenfree.com. Let's make some delicious, nutritious food for everyone to enjoy. I go to Salmon when I want to make a nice dinner quickly. This one starts with half of an orange. There's nothing like freshly squeezed orange juice. Save the other half for something else and squeeze the juice out of this half. Then we'll add some balsamic vinegar to it and some pure maple syrup and a touch of Dijon mustard. And then just stir this all together and set it aside for later. Now take an oven-safe skillet and put it over medium-high heat, melt some coconut oil, and put in your fillet of salmon. It'll sear quickly on one side and then you'll turn it over. The skin helps it to hold together, but yours might not have skin, that's okay. Now we'll take that mixture that we made with the orange juice, balsamic, and maple, pour it over top, and sprinkle on some green onion that we've chopped up. Then we're going to set this all in the oven for 6 to 9 minutes until it's cooked through. The time depends on how thick your salmon is. When it's finished, you'll take the nice glaze that has boiled down on the bottom of the pan and drizzle it over the top.